Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy and Tasty Options. Today here I am with a low calorie high protein rice alternative option, cracked wheat. Most importantly, it's much tasty and satisfies rice craving. As a health coach, this is my most favorite tasty low calorie option for rice. Cracked wheat is whole wheat broken into smaller pieces, unprocessed grains. Low in calories, rich in iron, protein and fiber. Low in glycemic index value of 41. That's too good for diabetic people. Cooked rice glycemic index value is 90, quickly hikes glucose in blood. It's very easy and faster to cook, and no need of washing or soaking. It comes out non-sticky, also very tastier than millets and brown rice. It's most satisfying appetite, no more cravings for rice. Awesome choice for diabetic and weight watchers to lose weight. Don't be confused with bulgur, which is parboiled, steamed and dried. It's not cracked wheat. Ideally 1 to 1.5 cup cooked cracked wheat is good enough for full meal versus 1.5 to 2 cups of cooked rice. Usually cracked wheat is available in 3 sizes, fine or number 1, number 2 and number 3. From fine to more coarse grain. 1 and 2 cooks faster. Beginners can try 1 or 2. All 3 types have same taste, differ slightly by texture after cooking. 1 cup raw cracked wheat yields to 3 cups of cooked one. First, it needs to be dry roasted. You can do in Airfryer or Stovetop. Air frying is easy comparatively and doesn't need much monitoring. Take the Airfryer basket, remove the mesh, place Airfryer safe bowl, add 2 cups of cracked wheat. Spread evenly. Place the mesh on top. Air fry at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes or longer until light brown color. Mix gently halfway. For more quantity, increase the timer. You can see it's roasted well. Unplug the air fryer. Leave cracked wheat in air fryer. Gets roasted little more as it's hot. Let it cool down. Store it in airtight container for up to 3 months. Let's see roasting on Stovetop. Always use aluminum dishes for dry roasting. Non-stick etc. coated dishes will lose coating upon dry roasting for long time. Heat the dish. Add cracked wheat. Dry roast on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep mixing 2 to 3 times. Make sure it's not overburnt. Turn off the flame upon light brown color. Leave it on burner, it will be roasted little more. Let it cool down before placing in container. It's handy to roast it ahead of time. It's one-time job. You can cook in instant pot or Stovetop. Let's see instant pot method. Take a bowl. Add 1 cup of roasted cracked wheat. Add 2 cups of water. The ratio is 1:2. Add half a teaspoon cumin seeds or more if you like. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 2 chillies. Mix them all. Usually it's handy to cook rice and cracked wheat stacked in different bowls. 2 dishes in one go. Or you can use same instant pot settings to cook only cracked wheat alone. In instant pot, add water in the pot. Place the stand. Stack rice and cracked wheat bowls. Place the lid. Set steam release valve to ceiling. Use pressure cook. Set timer to 3 minutes. Maximum 5 minutes is good enough. Pressure level should be high pressure. Temperature range should be normal. No need of keep warm. You can see the pressure is built up. Wait for around 15 minutes to release pressure naturally. As you can see, cracked wheat and rice are cooked well at one shot. Gently mix the cracked wheat along. Let's see stovetop cooking with and without oil. In a non-stick pan, add 2.5 cups of water. Boil with the lid on. Add cumin seeds, salt, chillies. Add 1 cup roasted cracked wheat. Mix well. Cook on high flame for 2 minutes with lid on. Then cook on slow flame for 3 to 5 minutes or longer until water is gone. As it's type 3 being more coarse, add little more water if needed. Turn off the flame, leave it on stove with lid. Cooks well. Let's see cooking with little oil. Add 1/4 teaspoon oil in a hot pan. Add all spices. Saute for a minute. Now add cracked wheat. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add hot or normal water. Hot water helps to cook faster. Rest of the process is all same. It's number 2 type. Moderate in grain size. This is 1.5 cup, half of cooked quantity. Enjoy balanced meal with dal and curry. For more rice cravings, eat little more rice. Try cracked wheat, millets, roti, brown rice, etc. in meals. Have low calorie, high protein meals in another meal. Helps with enough protein, low calories and weight loss. You can find these recipes in diet complaint playlist from my channel in description. Let's see third way. I'm going to roast all spices in oil. Then add water first and boil. Finally add cracked wheat. Rest of the cooking process is all same. This is number 1 fine type and smoother in texture. Try eating cracked wheat first, then leave little space for rice if needed. Having low calorie foods first keeps you full. Helps to reduce or avoid high carb food like rice. Eat healthy and stay healthy. See you again with more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.